With this technique, you can eliminate that debilitating emotion holding you back. Describe it and rate it from 1 to 10. Its origin or duration doesn't matter. We'll do the strengthening exercise, then measure changes. You may need to repeat it. Your goal is to reduce that emotion to 0 so it no longer blocks your peace, joy, and prosperity. I strengthen your midline, central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. Strong and neutral to feel or not feel. To continue or stop, appear or vanish, increase or decrease. Remain strong in all circumstances, 100% potential infinitely. Now we'll separate your mind and spirit from your body. We send your mind with all its dialogues, monologues, conclusions, and assumptions to other universes, dimensions, dark matter, black holes, and unknown places. We'll remove emotions from ancestors who lived with it, from descendants, from your parents. Zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. You're separated from those who can't let go or are unaware. Weaknesses erased to 0 minus infinity, always. You're aligned with those who've transcended, released, and become independent. He forgave, protected, and unconditionally forgot that intense emotion, leaving you mindless, spiritless, and deeply empty. This removes, releases, erases, and eliminates your mind's resistance to leaving your body, and also erases your body's resistance to leaving your mind. We reduce all this resistance to 0. Infinitely, 100% of the time, will remove the accumulated effect of your mind on cells, atoms, molecules, quantum particles, organs, tissues, systems, and structures. Will erase this emotion's impact on your micro and macro body. Will clear what you inherited, generated, and absorbed from others, sending it to other universes, dimensions, time spaces, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes. Will strengthen you against all that affects, disturbs, or worries you, causing this emotion. Will also erase other emotions and reactions, amplifying this lingering feeling. Will make you strong for the positive, negative, and neutral alike. Well, it's not about good or bad, fear or no fear. It's about change. 100% change with infinite potential all the time. We remove debilitating emotions and reactions that distort reality. We eliminate their cumulative effect and boost feelings of forgiveness, pleasure, acceptance, and unconditional love. We also clear ancestral, collective, and spiritual energies, as well as multiple personalities that block your ability to let go. We send these emotions to other universes, dimensions, and cosmic phenomena. We'll remove all misconceptions and misinterpretations about the triggering problem. This emotion. Let's separate everyone involved who you think caused or is responsible for this feeling. We'll separate you from that person and erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. I'll also separate you from family or close friends who feel the same way you do. We'll erase to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, and align you with those who've moved past this. Let's erase the effects of this emotion, limitations, stagnation, blockages, lack, and conflicts. We erase it all to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll remove misconceptions about the emotion from both internal and external sources. Let's eliminate all resistance to what triggered this emotion. We'll remove incorrect questions, answers, and unanswered queries. We clear away all you don't understand about this emotion's origin. Now, let's erase all influence coming from the collective. We remove unresolved issues blocking this emotion from fading away. We delete what's yours and not yours completely and infinitely. Let's boost your midline, nervous system, and physical intelligence. We enhance strength, speed, and agility to overcome weakening emotions. We'll strengthen you to face and handle difficult emotions and to release, erase, recover, detach, forgive, transcend, and unconditionally forget them. We'll empower you to increase your resolution speed. We'll strengthen you to erase efficiently, completely, absolutely, and permanently. We reinforce all this 100% with infinite potential, all the time, forever. We'll erase every instance and circumstance that triggered this emotion and everything that activates this memory. We'll also erase this emotion as a cumulative effect of various traumas, both physical and non-physical, yours and others. We delete this totally, completely, and permanently to negative infinity, 100% of the time, forever. Strong for sameness, difference, change, perception, and their opposites. He will strengthen you to remove all resistance to releasing and forgiving this emotion unconditionally. Strengthen your ancestors, parents, and family members who also struggle to let go of this emotion. Be strong for this octagon of complete erasure with infinite potential and time, 100% of the time. Be strong to acknowledge and eliminate this emotion, its causes, reasons, and sources. Be strong to recognize and manifest new empowering emotions in your life. Be strong to acknowledge and resolve in your mind what caused this emotion. Be strong and neutral as this emotion fades, quickly or slowly, permanently or temporarily. Be strong 100% with infinite potential, all the time with infinite time. We strengthen the midline to avoid false tools and coping mechanisms. Be strong enough not to suppress this emotion, but to process it fully. Don't deny, numb, lie about, close off from, or forget this emotion. Be strong to transcend, liberate, understand, experience, and address it. Be 100% strong with infinite potential all the time, endlessly. We strengthen inner and outer dynamics, internal and external limits and vertices. Let's erase all that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks consciously or subconsciously so this emotion can be erased from you or others, this life or past, you or your surroundings. Strong enough to erase to negative infinity 100% of the time forever. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your whole being. Remember clearly on a scale of 1 to 10 where this emotion stands. Now, if needed, you can repeat this strengthening process. Ensure you reach 0 so it doesn't expand again.